I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how simply and easily you can make this stunning Christmas door swag. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to cut a piece long enough so that I can fold it in half and tuck it underneath my Bowdabra so it stays out of the way. So I'll just tuck that there, tuck this underneath. Actually, I'm going to make this a little more even. So that way it's easier. By making it even in half, it makes it easier to grab the tails when you're tying it off. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my mesh and I'm just going to kind of roll it over a little bit so that the frayed ends are tucked in. And then now what I'm going to do is just go down the center and make like almost a flower kind of thing with this. And we're just scrunching it. This is how we do our scrunchy bows. And you can do a scrunchy bow with everything from tulle to wired ribbon to mesh, just any kind of material almost. And it works really well in the mini Bowdabra too. So we're just gonna lay that there. Then I'm gonna take my greenery and I'm gonna lay this piece of greenery going down. And actually, I think what I'm going to do is lay it like this, just so there's something to hold it in there in the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take this, and this will be going up. Make sure I have the right side. Oh, I guess that is the right side. Lay this going up. And then I'm going to take these and lay them going down. And we'll just do the same thing here by separating them so that they stay really well in the Bowdabra. So we'll just lay that there. And then I'm going to take my roses and I'm just going to lay those going straight up. Then this is a really nice little hack. When you have ribbon going in one direction, like these Christmas trees, what I'm going to do is cut it in half, dovetail the ends, and take this one and have it so my Christmas trees are going down, but they're standing up. And I'm going to take the other one, let's just lay this in here so I know it doesn't come out, and lay the other one going this direction so that all the Christmas trees are standing up and you don't have one side upside down and the other side standing up. So now I'm going to take our buffalo check ribbon, and I just love this material. I love it's kind of like a flannel ribbon. And we're just going to fold this back and forth and take this and twist and fold. Oh goodness, and twist. So let's just get the wires out here, because I like to sort of shape it as I'm going. It makes it easier at the end to shape. So I've got my ribbon twisted, so I'm going to just untwist it and fold this back. So if you're watching for the first time, please definitely say hi. Let me know how you heard about Bowdabra. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. And now I'm going to just fold this back over here. So all I'm doing is folding and twisting. And if you're not familiar with the Bowdabra, how this is all working is that the Bowdabra is literally has two springs that are allowing me to put all of this material into the Bowdabra. So now I'm going to just take my trees and we're going to twist and fold this back over. And I have so much in my Bowdabra right now that I am holding this down, because once the towers get fully separated, they can't hold as much as they normally would. So we're going to fold this and we're going to twist. And the reason that we twist is so that we have the wrong or the ugly side of our ribbon on the inside of our loops. So we'll twist it and fold it. And also, I'd love to have everybody join us on Monday nights. It's either me or one of our design team members. And I'm going to do now here a buffalo, a floral loop, or some people call it a button loop. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and I'm going to just scrunch everything. And when the Bowdabra is this full, the towers tend to come together. So all you have to do is just separate the towers, scrunch everything down. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring my loop up, Then I'm going to take the ends, and with all this stuff in here, that's why I tuck them under. I'm going to just pull this through my Bowdabra bow wire so that it's through the slip knot, hold my bow down really tight, and pull this really tight here. And we'll pull that out. And this is what I love, is by doing this in the Bowdabra, I'm not struggling at all with my bow. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to bring this up here. And all I'm going to do here is tie a knot, and I think I'll double knot it just for safety here. And then I'm going to bring this over here. And what I was starting to say, I'm not sure if I'll leave that tail. Maybe I don't know. I'm still deciding. I'll keep fluffing if I want to leave that tail. Let's see how it looks when it's done. And fluff out our ribbon here. But what I was saying before, I think I am going to cut it because I don't think I can fluff the ribbon the way I want with that tail there. So we're just going to cut that pretty close in here. And then I'm going to take my button loop and cover that up, and take these loops here and have my Buffalo Plaid thing out. So, what I was saying a minute ago was that we do a live every Monday, 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern. And there you have this absolutely gorgeous Christmas door swag. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.